Amazon FBA completely changed my life in just 12 months. And I know that sounds crazy, but in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how that happened step by step. So in 2022, I finally started something that I've been wanting to do for a very long time, an online business. But I had no idea where to start, no clue what path to take, but one thing was clear. I wanted to travel the world. And to do that, I needed to figure out how to make some money. But I was honestly so nervous to start because I barely had any money. I didn't want to make a mistake, especially one that I couldn't afford. So every dollar felt like it really mattered. I launched my Amazon seller account and I literally had no idea what to do. I was just on Twitter and YouTube searching for videos and any information that I could get to start selling online and actually making some money. Now, at this time, I didn't even start selling products. I was learning how to source products or find products, but I was still completely lost. The good thing is I knew one thing had to be true and I knew that I had to be consistent. So I spent a lot of early mornings and late nights, even though I was still in school and university, trying to figure out how to do this online business and how to do this whole Amazon FBA thing. And to give you some context, I had a lot of aspirations to start online businesses. I looked into drop shipping or email marketing, and I thought there was a lot of opportunity and potential to make money because I looked online and all these people were in expensive cars or traveling the world already. And I was like, I think those business models are good. But in reality, I had no experience or knowledge to do those businesses. I mean, like Amazon FBA as well, but I knew I had to learn marketing or some sort of copywriting skills to figure out how to do those successfully. So I turned my whole focus around and I said, let me just start Amazon FBA. A friend pitched the idea to me in that same month of 2022, and I looked into it and I said, there looks like an opportunity here because everybody shops on Amazon, including me, and it looks like a lot of people are making money with this. So through those first few months of selling and trying to figure out how to sell, the day came and my first sale happened. I heard that Amazon sale notification and it literally changed the direction of everything. I realized that it was possible and that my dream to travel the world and work remote and earn money was actually a reality. Even though I wasn't making a whole lot of money, I just wanted some income so I could sustain my lifestyle in Europe, Southeast Asia, Africa, or wherever else I wanted to travel, honestly. Through those 12 months, I set my sights on traveling the world and I knew I had to make at least $3,000 to $4,000 to keep growing the business and paying for my expenses like flights, like hotels, food, and just day-to-day living in any other country. So by the time June rolled around, I grew the business to $40,000 a month in sales, and that equated to about $5,000 to $6,000 in profit. I was more than happy and ecstatic to know that I was making $5,000 to $6,000 a month, that I could reinvest money into the business and travel like completely carefree. And the best part about it was I was continuing to learn and actually figure out how to do this business. The first 12 months were rough, I'll be honest. Like for the first 4 or 5 months, I didn't make any money considering I had barely any money to start. So I knew that in the 18th month mark or the 24th month, I was going to be doing double or triple my numbers and be very safe on what kind of monthly income I needed to live out there. So June the following year rolled around, exactly 12 months, and it was June 6th, and I booked a one-way flight to Lisbon, Portugal. I told my parents and family and friends literally 1 month before I booked the flight. Maybe not the best idea in the world to do, but I did it and I got on the plane and my journey of traveling actually started. But I learned some very important and valuable lessons along the way and through those 12 months. The first lesson is don't listen to other people. And I really didn't get over this until a few months ago or even a year ago. Many people, when you're starting an online business, think that it's not legal or what you're doing is a scam or it actually doesn't work. And I found myself constantly proving to people that what I was doing was an actual business and I was actually making money. Everybody always asked when I came home for the holidays, like, what do you do for a living? Or how's work been? And I had to explain my crazy business model that I started that allows me to travel and spend Tuesdays at 10 o'clock in Italy. And literally every single person looked at me with the same face. What? And it frustrated me so much to continue to hear all this slander and nonsense from other people that what I was doing wasn't legitimate and they were just valuing other people who were going to college and getting a job and being a lot more professional than I guess I was considering to them. Once I got over that hurdle, not only was the business doing much better ironically, but my quality of life just increased so much. Now when people ask me or family ask me at a holiday party, like, how's your little business doing? Or what's going on in your Amazon business? I just answer with one word. It's great. I realize that there's no point to try to prove to people that my business is great because I'm already living the lifestyle that I ever could have dreamed about. I'm traveling the world, earning money online, and growing the business. What else could I complain about? The second most important lesson, and I learned this very early on, was being consistent equals a guaranteed success. Literally from day one, I was all in. I dived into as many YouTube videos, Twitter conversations, or Discord chats to meet with people and ask any questions. I spent hours every day on Seller Central tutorial on sourcing products, learning how to ship a product. It was my key to success early on because I didn't have much money to start. I didn't have any connections and I had no experience in online business. So my only leg up on other people or people in this world was to be consistent and to never give up. The funny thing is, doing this now for 3 years, traveling to 200 cities in 15 countries, the trick to having success with Amazon is literally just being consistent. It's the same exact thing. Now, I work in a different manner and I don't spend hundreds of hours on my computer every day because I have systems and I have a team to help me with the business and to grow it. But when I spend my time diving into certain things of the business, I literally go all in and I put all my effort aside and I block out all the noise to doing what I have to get done. And it's increased the productivity and my quality of life so much because I'm finding more success in my business and I'm just happier overall. So all in all, $1.5 million in Amazon sales later. The best one for me was the first $12 that I ever sold on the marketplace because it showed me that this was real and there was an opportunity, and it put the biggest smile on my face, and I can literally feel it and see it right here as a vivid memory. The day I had that first sale and I was just cheesing ear to ear, and it was the best feeling of all time. So take it from me, just start your journey, whether it's Amazon FBA, e-commerce, online business, whatever it is, just dip your toes into it. And the moment that you find some success or the first reality that it actually works, it's going to be the best day of your life and it's going to change your life from that day going forward. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys traveling the world and working remote in a different country. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll be having more and more content coming out about e-commerce, Amazon FBA, and online businesses for many, many months and years to come. See you for now.